Hello friends, my dear students, myself Vandre Shital from Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, Rao Bahadur Narayan Rao Borake College, Sirampur. This video is prepared under the guidance and support of Honorable Principal Dr. Gaikwad Sahib. This video is only for the educational purpose. Here, from the new syllabus of the 12th science as per the state board, the content which get kept for the analysis, that is one of the part is the geological time scale. Here this geological time scale graphically represent the evolutionary line from the beginning of the earth and now the recent day, which animal, which plant were dominant in that respected period and how they were get surviving. During the time of evolution, the global changes takes place, the day by day temperature of the earth that will be get increased, and that the effect of the global warming that shows that rise in temperature may be responsible to diminish the various different types of the species from this earth surface. Due to the effect of global warming, here the extinction, it is the caring process that is get started on the earth, and due to this extinction, here the various useful animals, plants which helps for the ecosystem, automatically due to interference of the human being, due to industrialization, globalization, the species extinction takes place here. But here in this origin and evolution of the life, we have seen the different theories, and this chart is showing that how the different types of the animals and plants, they are get surviving, but still here some are the dominant. Now as we know that here this shows the different columns and that represent their characters. This total geological time scale is showing the era, period, epoch, time in million years ago, plant life as well as the animal life. Here this total era which represent the geological time scale, it is divided into Cenozoic, Mesozoic, Paleozoic, Proterozoic, Archaeozoic and Azoic era. These different types of the eras are present here. Then the different periods they have represent in this geological time scale, the Quaternary, Tertiary period. After that here this Mesozoic era is divided into the Cretaceous, Jurassic and the Triassic period. This Paleozoic era divided into Permian, Carboniferous, Devonian, Silurian, Ordovician and the Cambrian period. Now come towards this Cenozoic era. This Cenozoic era, it shows that the epoch, it is also having the Quaternary period with the 2 epochs, and here the Tertiary period with the 5 epochs. This Quaternary period, it shows the recent epoch which is surviving, or we called it as the Holocene. This Holocene, it is the recent and time in million years ago, that is from 0.1 million years ago to 0.6 million years ago, and here the recently that animals, plants they are living, which animal life is dominant here and which plant life is dominant here. In this the angiosperms are the dominant, and the animal life here we can say that the age of the mammal or the development of the modern man, bird, fishes, insect takes place in this the recent epoch, or the we are the modern man, Homo sapiens sapien. And here we are also living in this the recent or the Holocene epoch. The second is the Pleistocene. This Pleistocene, it is from the 0.6 million years ago to the 2 million years ago. And here the number of the herbaceous plant is get increased in these plants, and the great extinction mammals takes place. The modern man, they will be get appear in this Pleistocene epoch. The Tertiary period, they are showing the Pliocene. This Pliocene is nothing but from the 2 million years ago to the 13 million years ago, and those are the hard woody plant, conifer, grassland, bryophyte, monocot. These plants, they are lives on this Pliocene epoch. After that the animal, that is the origin of the man, it takes place here. Evolution of ruminant, horse, camel and the elephant, these happens in this region. The next is the Miocene. This Miocene, it is from the 13 years million year ago to 26 years million year ago. In this, the abundance of the grasses in the plant life and in animal life, here the spreading of the mammals takes place. The mostly the adaptive radiation or that concept they are get appearing here. The formation of the first man-like ape, it takes place in this Miocene epoch. Next, the Oligocene, it runs from 26 million years ago to 28 million years ago. And here in this, the rise of the monopod as well as the flowering plants takes place. The extinction of arch mammal, appearance of apes, monkeys, turtles, crocodiles, that is obtained and they are get developed in this Oligocene. Then Eocene, near about here, the 38 million years ago to 54 million years ago. Now here in the plant life, the development of the angiosperm observed. These angiosperms, they are dominant at that, and the diversification of the placental mammal as well as here the modern birds, they are get survive in this animal life. Then the Paleocene, that is from 54 million years ago to 65 million years ago, and the mostly moderation of the flowering plants takes place in this region, and the placental mammals, they are get appear here. The next is the Mesozoic era. This Mesozoic era is divided into Cretaceous period, Jurassic period and the Triassic period. This Mesozoic era is again not divided into the epoch here, that runs the Cretaceous period from 63 million years ago to 135 million years ago. The flowering plants, they are appearing, the first flowering plants appear in this Cretaceous period, and the remaining other plants, that is the gymnosperm, ginkgo biloba, natal, they will be get at the stage of the extinction, or mostly their number that will be get reduced here. The extinction of the dinosaurs, that will be happen in the Cretaceous period, and we know that the Jurassic period. This Jurassic Park, that film is get the very famous because the age of the reptile is that. This Jurassic period is, and that is from here 135 million years ago to 165 million years ago. In this period here, the angiosperms are the dominant plant, and the reptiles or the Jurassic, that is the dinosaurs, they are also the dominant in this period. Now the Triassic period, it runs from 165 million years ago to 225 million years ago. In this year, the gymnosperm, their extinction takes place, and the seeds of the fern, they are also at the stage of the extinction. This dominance is happening, and some plants, they are get extinct. The dinosaurs, amphibians, they are get survive at this the animal life. The next is the Paleozoic era. Here this Paleozoic era is divided into Permian, Carboniferous, Devonian, Silurian, Ordovician and the Cambrian period. Come towards this Permian period, that runs from 2 to 5 million years ago to 280 million years ago. In this, the plant life, the origin of the conifer takes place, the decline of the lycopod. The cycads and the conifers, they are mostly abundant in this region, and the fishes and the mammal, they are also the dominant here. The various types of the fishes, they will be survived at the various species, they are the dominant at that time. The Carboniferous period, it runs from 280 million years ago to 335 million years ago. Here, the development of the diverse pteridophyte, mosses, gymnosperm, that is found out. It is the age of the fern, and various different types of the fungal group, they can be survived during this Carboniferous period. The gymnosperm pteridophyte, no doubt they were the dominant in this region, and the reptiles, the various reptiles, they can be survived from the animal life. Now the next is the Devonian. This runs from the 335 million years ago to 400 million years ago. during this period of the Devonian, the first progymnospermic plant that will be get found out. All over the world here, most of the forests, they are having the gymnospermic plantation. The various types of the fungi that will be also observed. The different types of the bryophytes, they will be survive during this Devonian period. And the animals, when we are going to show, the amphibians are the dominant. These amphibians, they are preferring, that is the aquatic as well as the terrestrial type of the habitat. The Silurian period, it runs from 400 million years ago to 440 million years ago. And in this period, the algae are the dominant here. Maybe the aquatic freshwater algae, marine water algae, different types of the algae they are get developed and they are dominant in this region. The terrestrial animals, mostly they are preferring the vertebrates here, because the developed vertebrates they will be get find out. They are dominant in this region. The next is the Ordovician. This Ordovician shows the 440 million years ago to 500 million years ago. In this plant life, the appearance of first seedless vascular land plants observed and the abundance of the algae is also find out here. Then in the animal life, there shows that the diverse invertebrate, the first vertebrate, jawless fishes, appearance of the coals, giants, cephalopods like the Nautilus, it is get to find out here. The Cambrian period, it runs from 500 to 590 million years ago, and during this year, the marine algae, they are the dominant. In the plants, the invertebrate phylum, that is the dominant here. Now, after that, the Proterozoic era. This Proterozoic era, it is not subdivided into period, epoch, but it shows that in which million years ago this Proterozoics run. Here, this Proterozoic era, it runs from 600 million years ago to 1600, and in this year, mostly the chlorophyte consisting the algae member, that is the single cell algae as well as the blue-green algal member, they are the dominant. And in plants, the prokaryotes, some annelids, sponges, coelenterate, the primitive metazoans, the scanty fossil, they are also dominant there. Then in Archaeozoic era, it also again not divided into the period and epoch. It runs from 1600 to 3800 million years ago. Here, no fossil record of this era it will be get find out. The animal life shows that the origin of life may be here simple unicellular form, that is the algae, bacteria, viruses, but they are unicellular form appear in this region. In the Azoic era, here no formation of the life it is get observed, and that runs from 3800 to 4600 million years ago. Mostly the origin or the formation of earth it takes place near about 4.6 million years ago, and when this Azoic era it was started, at that time here the only chemical evolution of life is find out. The formation of earth, that process it is get started. In this way here, the geological time scale, it shows that the different types of the era, period, epoch, and which animal life and which plant life is get dominant here. Here we have seen that is from when observed that geological time scale, the lower to the higher region, which shows that how the evolution takes place from the primitive to the advanced, or the simple organism to the complexity that will be get increases. The primitive unicellular form of the life is get converted into the multicellular form of the life, and day by day here the animal evolution also takes place, plant evolution also takes place, and recently this Cenozoic era, this shows that the dominancy of angiosperm and the modern man, how that will be get dominant on the earth surface, but that change is not takes place within a one day. The evolution, that is the very simple gradual change, and it is the irreversible process, that continuous evolution takes place on the earth surface. Still also the human being, plant life, other organism, they are can also suffering from the line of evolution, and the modernity or the complexity day by day increases because the process of the meiosis that will be help for the evolution also. During that year the exchange of the genes takes place, the newly formed material that will be exchanged and the new characters they are get developed, and as we know that here that process never that will be get stopped. The continuously this evolution takes place on the earth surface, and here the graphically we have learned here how the geological time scale represent from the origin of earth to up to and until still nowadays which type of animal life, which type of plant life is dominant on the earth surface, and during which year they can be get survive, why they are get diminished, why they are get destroyed here. Only the climate change, because the adaptation is the very important factor for the animal and plant surviving on the earth surface, and when the climate that will be not get favorable to specific type of the animal, automatically their species they will be get extinct, they will be get diminished. Okay, in this way here we have seen the geological time scale from the origin and evolution of life. Thank you.